बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अब देख रहे हैं, हम इंजॉय कर रहे हैं तंदूरी टी। आप देखें किस तरह से बनती है, ये कहाँ की स्पेशल रेसिपी है।
Yeah, this is the mud cup. You can see here. This is mud cup, and this tandoor is the this mud cup. We are putting in raw condition, and it is getting ready inside this tandoor. And then we are putting tea inside this mud cup. And it's boiling out and changing the taste. And you can see its tea is coming out. And this cup is ready to serve the tea. And this is the Tandoori Tea restaurant inside the Dareen restaurant, Shabia Dain Musabba. And this tea is ready to serve. This is the way. Yes, it's ready. Okay.
यकीन है आपने बहुत इंजॉय किया होगा। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए, दुआ में याद रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज।